everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing my monthly reset routine. About every month I like to deep clean, organize, declutter, set some new goals, do some self-care, big tan. Each month I kind of like do different things depending on like what needs to get done, but that is what I'm going to be focusing on this month. My apartment is literally so messy right now. Like it has just gotten out of hand. I feel like I've been really busy over the last few weeks. Usually I try to stay on top of it, but it's just like accumulated. Not only do I need to like pick up the mess, but I also really need to deep clean, dust, vacuum. That is the plan. I hope you guys enjoy this video and hopefully you find it satisfying, motivating. I love watching these kind of like productive vlogs. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. And if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Comment below something you like to do each month to reset and get organized. Let's just get into the video. I'm actually gonna start off with a little bit of planning. I have this cute little weekly planner. I will link it below. It's super cute. If you guys follow Keegan Acton here on YouTube, this is her planner that she came out with. So cute. I literally love this for planning. I'm gonna use this to just kind of plan out the week ahead. I also kind of want to plan out what I want to do in this video, so I have another notebook for that. It's just this little to-do list. I write down everything that I want to do today, like while I'm cleaning and doing my monthly reset. We're just gonna do a little planning. I was watering my plants and one of my plants fell and just spilled dirt all over my desk, so ignore the dirt on my desk. I just took some time and did some planning. Now I'm feeling a lot more organized and also just ready for the week. I made like a little schedule and like to-do list for each day. I feel like this is so helpful. I just have this sitting on my desk. I also just made a little to-do list of everything I want to do today to just kind of get my monthly reset done. We're gonna jump ahead to the self-care portion of the monthly reset. I love taking some time each month, each week to get my nails done, reapply my tan, exfoliate. It really helps me feel confident and fresh going into the week or the month ahead. I just wanted to share some of my favorite like self-care things to do. If you guys know, you know, a big part of my self-care routine is reapplying my self-tan. Before I do that, I have to exfoliate, take in everything, shower, shave, all of that stuff. In order to have a fresh, good-looking tan, you have to prep your skin accordingly. I recently found a product I am obsessed with and it works so good for this. It is an essential in my routine and it's so perfect for the summertime as well. It is this product from Osea. I am so obsessed with it. It is literally so perfect. It is what I've been missing in my routine. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, so thank you so much to Osea for sponsoring. I literally love this. I've been looking for a good exfoliating product. This is perfect because it cleanses, exfoliates, and moisturizes. It does all of that all in one easy step. This is the Osea Undaria Cleansing Body Polish. I'm just obsessed with it. It literally smells amazing. It kind of smells like oranges. It's like super fresh for summer. I feel like this would be so perfect coming back from like the pool or the beach. Like it just smells so fresh and it leaves my skin feeling so good. I love Osea as a brand. They're female founded, family operated, clean, vegan, and cruelty free. They're just a really good brand. They have so many great products. Something I love about this exfoliator is that it's really gentle on the skin. A lot of times exfoliators will leave my skin feeling really raw and irritated. This is actually really moisturizing. It leaves my skin feeling so hydrated and so glowy. Your skin will just feel so soft and so silky. It gently cleanses while buffing away dry, dull skin. Despite it looking a little patchy still because the old self-tan, it felt and looked really glowy and hydrated. It has like AHA, which helps with cell renewal. Exfoliating is key to having a nice looking self-tan. Cleansed, moisturized, exfoliated skin is also just key to looking and feeling your best, especially in the summertime. This Osea cleansing body polish is definitely a must-have for my routine and my everything shower. I definitely recommend checking it out. I think you guys would absolutely love it. I do have a discount code. It is only for a limited time, so it's a great time to take advantage and pick this up. You can get 10% off using my code EmilyUCBP. That's EmilyUCBP, and I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link. I'm just gonna do my skincare and remove my makeup, take a shower. I'm gonna use this and exfoliate all of my old tan off and then reapply my tan so I can feel nice and glowy and have a fresh tan going into the new month. The next thing is cleaning. I just want to deep clean my entire apartment. I need to clean my kitchen. I need to clean my bedroom. I need to do laundry. I need to dust. I need to vacuum. A lot of clothes that I need to hang up because I just filmed a whole entire Jerk Avenue collection video. I just have all these clothes from different like summer outfit type things that I filmed that I need to get hung up. I'm just gonna do a whole little cleaning montage. I love watching those. They're so satisfying. I think I'm just gonna start out by washing my sheets so they can be washing and drying as I'm doing everything else. I've got a coffee to keep me motivated, so let's just get started. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking much cleaner, literally so much better. Now I'm gonna do a little closet clean out. I feel like my closet is just really stuffed and there's a lot of stuff in there that I know I'm not wearing. So I'm just gonna quickly go through it, see if there's anything I'm not wearing, and just do a little closet clean out. I didn't really find as much as I thought I would. I did find a few things that I can get rid of. I do have a lot of stuff that I need to get listed on Poshmark, so I can just kind of add this to it. It is a little bit later. I already feel so much more prepared for the upcoming month, and like my life is just so much more together. The apartment is so much cleaner. Everything is much more organized. I'm also gonna take some time to make some new goals for the upcoming month. Just kind of like write down some things that I wanna focus on. I try to not make too many because I find if I make too many, it's just like overwhelming. I'm gonna try to just focus on a couple things. I cannot believe it's already August. August is like, we're getting into fall. August is kind of like summer, it's kind of fall. I think August is actually one of the best months, like August and September and October. Like we're getting into like the best part of the year. Still kind of warm outside, but we're getting into fall. Pumpkin spice is coming out. Literally, it is just the best time of the year in my opinion. Christmas is approaching. It's crazy to think about Christmas in July, but I'm just saying, after December, it's just all downhill, in my opinion. Spring is when things start getting good again. We're gonna write down some goals for August, or really just like focuses. For my August goals, I put post every day on Instagram. I want to consistently post every single day for the month of August. That is my goal. probably like almost every day on TikTok. My second goal is to start reading the Bible every morning. That has also been a goal of mine like this whole year. I keep saying I'm gonna do it the next month or do it the next month. I really do wanna make that part of my morning routine to like do a devotion and read my Bible. I've been going to church my whole life, but I've actually never read the Bible all the way through. I wanted to do like the 1 year where you read just like a little bit each day. I only have half the year left, so I probably won't even get through it in the rest of the year, but I wanna at least try to integrate it into my morning routine. The last thing is practice driving, learn the highways and the roads, because I've literally lived in Kansas City my whole life, and I'll hear people saying like, oh, this highway, this highway, this highway, this highway. And I feel so stupid because I literally don't know the highways and roads, like, oh, this street and this street. I feel stupid. I think I need to really learn the roads and the highways, and especially they're doing a lot of road work downtown. Like the main way to get into downtown is currently closed, so you have to go all these different ways, and it just gives me so much stress and so much anxiety. Like I literally cannot. I really think I need to learn the roads because I have some stuff coming up this month where I'm gonna have to drive downtown by myself, which is like, it literally gives me so much stress. So I'm gonna have to learn. I'm just gonna have to force myself. That is everything for this video. I just wanna say thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you'd like to see more monthly reset videos on my channel, definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for our next one. Bye.